Are you still trading and grinding with your $200 account and hoping to flip that into a Lambo? Yeah, good luck with that. Today we're going to be talking about Pivex, and Pivex exists for people who actually know how to trade. If you pass their challenge, they give you a fully funded account up to $1 million. You are keeping the profits and they're taking the risk. If you want to learn more about Pivex and stop wasting your time trading with a small balance, well then, let's not waste any more of your time and jump straight into it. So here we are on Pivix. Now, after this amazing introduction about the platform, what really is this? Well, Pivix is a trading platform. What it offers you is a simulated account. If you pass the trading challenge with their simulated account, you get to claim the real rewards. So basically how it works is that you could go ahead and get a simulated account with a chosen balance for yourself, right? So choose a trading account between 5K and 200K, and then you trade in the simulated accounts, hit a 10% profit within the platform rules, and you pass the evolution stage. Then you move on to the funded stage, where you trade in a simulated account, take 80% of your realized profits and stay within rules to keep growing. And then lastly, you hit the scaling stage, where you hit 15% profit targets in Pivex Trader stage, scale your account by 30% every 3 months, reach up to $1 million in simulated capital. So this is absolutely amazing, and you can see why I'm telling you guys that this could be life-changing if you hone your trading skills. If you learn how to be a trader and you learn it good, well, you could get a funded account of $1 million with Pivex and literally take an 80% profit split from trading with them. So for example, if you have a $1 million funded account, right, and for example you hit a 20K profit trade, right, then you're taking 80% of those profits. Again, this money is not yours, but you're keeping 80% of the profit share, right? So $20,000 profit trade would mean that you would take home $16,000, right? $16,000 from one trade. And again, this is not unrealistic when you're trading with $1 million account. So this platform offers you, again, an amazing environment to trade in. It offers a trading academy, it offers a personal dashboard, news calendars, 24/7 customer support, and many more amazing features. So you can see why I am actually so interested in showcasing you guys what Pivix is, because pre-sales are of course an amazing opportunity to earn money, but it's nothing compared to what you can do with a funded $1 million trading account. Again, we have some benefits of why use Pivix against yourself. You use their money, you have challenge price with potential losses, you can grow the account fastly and reliably, you can withdraw your money in 24 hours, you can learn with them, and the support of course is included. So if you have any questions, you can just go ahead, hit the contact button and ask them anything. Here we have some frequently asked questions. Again, if you do want to read this and you're actually interested, I will leave all of the socials down below in the description, so make sure you go ahead and do that. But now we're going to be logging into the platform, and I'll actually show you guys how the whole interference looks and how it all goes. So after logging into their platform, you can see how the dashboard actually looks like right here. You can see we have an account open with a balance of $200,000, and you can see the whole interference right here. So here you can see the account trends. Basically, you can see how much your account grows in equity right here. So as you can see, we have lost a few cents right here. I mean, it's nothing crazy. You can see the win rate of your trades. You can see the account age. You can see the average hold. I mean, you can see all of the account statistics right here. And you can, of course, use this to analyze your mistakes and, of course, improve your trading. We have the objectives right here. So we have the maximum drawdown. We can lose a maximum of $12,000, and daily drawdown is a max of $8,000. We also have inactivity days, so we cannot be more inactive than 30 days, right? And activity days must not exceed 30 days. We have consistent rules, so trade value score must be less than or equal to 50%. We have payout schedule. Active days must be greater than or equal to 14 days. We have trading days. Trading days must be greater than equal or to 5 days. And we have profit target. Profit reaches 15%. So target profit is $30,000. Again, these numbers may look big, but of course, remember that you're trading with a chosen balance. Of course, this changes with the initial balance, for the challenge that you ask. So for example, if you have a 100k challenge, right, and your initial balance is 100k, all of these numbers right here would change to the percentages listed, right? We also have their tools right here: utilities, economic calendar, academy. It's all right here. We could go ahead and learn all about the intros of trading, financial markets, forex markets, technical analysis. We have a lot of articles right here which teaches us exactly how we should trade in the markets and how do the professionals keep making money from trading. Also, this part is added, but I just want to point it out that this website is very easy to navigate. As you can see on this video right here, you are getting all of your statistics mentioned right here. You can see all of your objectives, open positions, account history. You can see everything you need right here. So basically, in my opinion, if you are just starting out with prop firms and you're not really sure how to navigate the platforms, I definitely suggest that you check out Pivix, because they make everything so freaking simple. It's crazy. So again, make sure to use something that's easy to use and not complicated to use. Now, the main feature which I want to showcase to you guys is their trading platform right here. So let's hop into it. As you can see right here, it's really simple. We have a very clean interference right here with all of our tradable pairs. So we have 22 stocks, 15 indices, 17 commodities, 9 crypto pairs, 41 FX pairs, and 14 popular pairs, which is basically just compiled of the popular pairs of all of these right here. So basically, we have an option to literally trade anything. I mean, it comes down to commodities, indices, stocks. I mean, whichever you feel like best at doing, you can trade them. So for example, let's hop into the crypto sector, right? We can go ahead and press on BTC, which opens up the BTC chart. We can go ahead and select the time range. So that's 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week. We can select the time range that we want to view the chart at. So for example, let's select 15 minutes, right? And then we can go ahead and analyze the chart. So for example, we have the BTC chart right here, and we can see right here, for example, that this is going into consolidation, right? So the chart is literally fluctuating between these two zones right here, and we could actually highlight the, of course, consolidation zone right here, right? So we can see that it's consolidating. So from this, what we can expect is for the price to keep bouncing up right here in this range right here before, of course, choosing a direction which it wants to go through, right? So for example, it'll break structure right here, we'll have a downtrend. If we'll break the structure upwards, we'll have an uptrend. So from this, we can analyze already that it's probably going to be going into the consolidation phase a bit more. And if we are going to be looking for an entry right here in this consolidation phase, we have, of course, a supply zone right here, which you can see is already being mitigated, right? So you might not understand what I'm saying right now, but of course, this is all going to be making sense as you learn more about trading. So we have this demand zone right here on the 15-minute chart, and we can see that we have actually hit it. So if you want to enter right now, because the price is course getting mitigated from the zone right here, we can go ahead and select the amount we want to buy with. So for example, we're going to be buying 0.1 BTC, which is about $11,000. We're going to be entering this trade right here, and you can see our current price, you can see our profits, you can see the open time. We can also set the take profits. So if we do believe that we're not going to be leaving the consolidation zone yet and we are going to be going back down, we can just set our take profits right here near the stop. And for the stop loss, if we do believe that we are going to be consolidating still and do not want to enter, of course, the break of structure, we can set our stop loss right here. Now you can see, of course, how much we're going to be losing on the stop loss and how much we're going to be winning on the take profits. So again, you can understand how simple this platform is to use and how easy it is to trade with Pivex. So we can even enter the Polkadot trade too. Meanwhile, we're waiting for our BTC position to play out. I mean, we can open multiple trades. It doesn't matter. It's so easy to trade with Pivex. It's crazy. And again, I do want to emphasize on the fact that you are not trading with your own money. So this literally removes the scary part of losing your own money, because with Pivex, you're trading in a funded account, meaning that you are not using your own money. It's their money. And if you are profitable, you're just there to take your own profit share. So with this being said, that's about it for the Pivex platform. Let me know what you think about this one down below in the comments. I personally think that Pivex is amazing. I mean, it offers a lot of useful features, and you can literally make a life-changing choice by using and learning how to trade with Pivex today. I mean, it's all up to you guys. If you want to check them out, links are down below in the description. And again, thanks for tuning in to more videos, and I'll make sure to catch you in the next one.